Want to ride the Solana wave with your Ethereum stash? Let's dive into converting ETH to SOL. First, choose a reputable crypto exchange that supports both ETH and SOL. Pick your favorite, then log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication. Next, you'll need to deposit your ETH into the exchange. Navigate to the deposit section and select Ethereum. Copy your unique ETH deposit address, double-check it. Now, go to your wallet where your ETH is stored. Paste the exchange's ETH deposit address you copied, enter the amount of ETH you want to convert, and confirm the transaction. Once your ETH arrives in your exchange account, head over to the trade or exchange section. Search for the ETH-SOL trading pair. This tells the exchange you want to trade Ethereum for Solana. You'll usually have options like market order or limit order. A market order executes instantly at the current price. For simplicity, let's use a market order. Enter the amount of ETH you want to use to buy SOL, and then click the Buy SOL button. The exchange will execute the trade, and you'll receive SOL in your exchange wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully converted ETH to SOL. You can now hold your SOL on the exchange or transfer to a dedicated Solana wallet. Welcome to the Solana ecosystem.